Hi, I'm Susan Wise, Senior Project Manager with Bullseye Locations. I'm here to talk to you about adding and managing locations for local pages. Local pages are SEO-friendly microsites for any kind of location, like a dealer or contractor. Local pages include a wealth of information specific to a location or default information that's applicable to all locations. Important information like hours and contact information, as well as information that enriches a user's knowledge about a location or their business, like photos, testimonials, and white papers. All of these details are stored in Bullseye as locations. This video focuses on adding locations and managing the details specific to a location. In another video in our local page video series, we'll learn to add and manage default information for local pages in cases where a location doesn't have certain data or where you want to provide consistent information across all of your locations. In other videos in the series, we'll cover creating layout templates and search interfaces to display local pages. Let's take a closer look at how to add locations in the Bullseye admin in order to add information for local pages. This is the Bullseye dashboard. To access locations, click on Manage Locations in the left-hand navigation. To add a new location, click on Add Locations, or click on a location in the list to edit a location. I've already created a location, so let's take a closer look at it. A location contains a lot of data. The main page is called the Location Detail page because it contains most of the details about the location. Tabs across the top provide additional details. Not all of the fields or all of the tabs are used for local pages, so we'll focus only on those that are. Some fields are required, like the location name and parts of the address. Required fields are indicated with a red asterisk next to the field name. The location name and address appear prominently on local pages. The address is used to generate a map for the local pages. Optionally, the address can also be used to display a link to directions on Google Maps or a list of nearby locations. Default address data cannot be provided. Contact details and social media profiles can also be configured to display on local pages. Default data for these fields can also be provided if the location doesn't have specific content or social media details. Under the Bullseye Details heading, notice the Services section. Services, as you see here, don't appear on the local pages, but a location needs to be in the store locator service in order to have a local page. A location needs to be in the lead manager service in order to be able to display a lead form on the local page. If a lead form is submitted from a local page, the lead will be sent directly to the location. Business hours, holiday hours, and special hours can all be provided to generate a location's hours for the current week. For example, if a location's regular Monday through Friday hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., those hours will normally be displayed. However, if a holiday falls in the current week and the location is closed, that will be reflected in the hours displayed on the local page on that particular week. Add hours using the Add Hours link or edit hours using the pencil controls next to the hours. Google, Yelp, or Bullseye reviews can be configured for an account. Google and Yelp reviews require a place ID from Google or Yelp and can be displayed on local pages, but can't be managed in Bullseye. Bullseye reviews are native to Bullseye and can be both displayed and managed in Bullseye. With this option enabled, the location's reviews will be displayed on the local page along with a link to submit a new review. See our knowledge base for more information on configuring reviews. The results thumbnail appears next to the About section on local pages. Local page photos appear in a gallery, either in a grid format or in a slider. The next few fields are special attributes that are automatically created when a local page subscription is added. The banner appears at the top of the local page, along with the logo. These are common fields to omit on the locations page and provide as default data in order to make all local pages in the account look unified. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I've provided them here. The About field supports rich formatting using either a WYSIWYG editor or HTML using the controls at the bottom of the editor. Up to 3 PDF documents can be added to a location that can appear on the local pages as links. 2 special attributes called complex attributes were also added when the subscription was added. The video and testimonial complex attributes appear as tabs at the top of the page. Complex attributes are simply a collection of attributes that are stored as a single attribute record. To add either a video or a testimonial, click on the Add button, or click on an existing attribute in the list to edit one. A video attribute contains a title, a link to a video, and a thumbnail. A thumbnail isn't required, but providing one will improve page speed because the video and player controls won't be loaded until you click the thumbnail. A testimonial contains a short paragraph or testimonial and the citation, or who gave you the testimonial. You can add as many videos and testimonials as you want here. Let's take a look at that local page and see how this data looks. We see the banner and the logo at the top, followed by the results thumbnail in the About section, a map that was dynamically created from the address, the location name, address, and various contact details, then the lead form, gallery, hours, video, and social media links. Benefits are not part of the location's details. They're configured on the local page template, which we'll learn about in another video in the local page video series. Alternatively, locations can be added to Bullseye using CSV or XML imports. See your knowledge base for more information about uploading locations. That's it. Adding data to a location is all that's required to create this visually stimulating, SEO-powered local page. Check out the rest of our videos in the local page video series to learn how to add default data, templates, and interfaces that support local pages. Thanks for watching.